Hey guys, it's me Narelle here, and welcome back to a new video. This video is going to be a very cute one because I kind of want to go and touch upon a topic of being confident in your art, going deeper than that, being confident in drawing a anime character, because I know I have a lot of young ones on my channel, and once you get into anime, you're like, oh my gosh, that character looks so dope. But when you sit down to draw the character, you're like, man, how should I go about this? I just want to make a video to tell you guys you can be confident in drawing things, which is anime characters, that you don't think you're too confident in. So I'm just going to make this a breakdown video, not too long, and hopefully by the end of this video, you guys could be like, yo, Narelle, I'm here, anime world, I ain't scared of you no more. For the case of it being right next to me, I'm going to be using some references from the Promised Neverland characters. This is the art book. If you would like it, I will put it down below, the Amazon link, because I got it when it first came out. Not self-plugging, but if you're interested in getting it, it's on Amazon.com. So what I'm going to do is find some references of my Honey Bunches of Oats Ray, because he's my favorite character. Genau. And I'll show you different images of him, and we're just going to go from there. And looking for references of characters, the number one rule is to look for pictures with their faces close up and for them looking forward, because it really does help you navigate the looks of the character. So the first image of Ray that I'm doing a horrible job at showing you guys is this one right here, if you can see it right quick. Some art books do provide actual character references in the back, but since this is so far away, it's hard for you guys to see. But if you see right here, the author actually provided a full head turnaround of Ray. So if you guys want more than one angle and one provided space, it's right here. Alright, last but not least is this picture of Ray right here. So that's another shot of him from the side angle, but from a different angle. You guys can see. There we go. There we go. So now that I showed you all pictures of Ray, what did you notice? Like, what did you notice about the character that you're like, it sticks out? Obviously, Ray has comb over hair. So he has an emo haircut. Like, it just shows one of his eyes. So think about that when you draw him. He has a comb over hair. Another thing about Ray, in which sticks out, is that his eyes are slanted. They look mean, so he has diamond-shaped eyes. His face is very sharp. It's not Dorito, but it's like very sharp. Another thing about Ray, he has black hair, obviously. Just point out the specifics a character has. I'm not here to tell you to draw a character verbatim of how you see them, but a helpful guide for all of you guys when you want to draw anime characters, or anyone else's characters rather, is to point out features the characters have, so it's a lot easier for you guys to be like, I think I could do that. Like, I think I can remember and apply to be like, you know, to be attentive to what I saw. So even if I do forget how his hair goes in one direction, as long as I can remember, hey, he has a comb over here, maybe that'll help me remember, hey, maybe that'll help me a little bit. If you kind of get what I'm saying. So now let's get to the drawing part of the video. Alrighty guys, so this is going to be the part of the video where I kind of show some of his features in detail, so you guys can go into the actual drawing of the character with knowledge, and you're like, okay, that's what she's talking about. So yeah, so I'm actually using my Grumbacher mixed media sketchbook for this video, a Prismacolor colored pencil, and in a shade green, because this is the darkest pencil I have. So like I said in the little visual part of the video, I did say Ray has diamond shaped eyes. So I'm trying to make my camera a little bit downward. Okay. So if you guys are just getting into things, a lot of artists say when you go into drawing people, look at them in shapes. So a diamond is obviously like so. Mine may not be the most parallel diamond, but this is a diamond, as you can see. But when you translate it to an eye, This is just what I do, so just kind of do at your own risk. You just translate the shape into a eye. Yeah. Kind of get what I'm saying? And then you add an eyeball in, which mines are circular most of the time. So, and if I detail it in so you guys can see it a little bit better. He does have comb over hair. So hopefully, I can make a cute little face here. To show you guys what it looks like. And I did say his face was very angle-like, but it's chunky. So you kind of want to keep his face pointed at the bottom. Somewhat like this, okay. You go Nirel. So yeah. So just pretend this cute little thing is the face, okay? And this is where the nose is, and this is the mouth. And I make the ears here too. So, like I said, his hair combs over to this side. So what you want to do is, again, look at it in shapes, like block it out. Block it out. So I already have my face guideline done and we're prepared, hunty, because who was going to draw that guideline for you guys? Not me. I'm kidding. Okay. I'm kidding. But anyway, let me get you guys all situated here so you can, follow along. So, for me personally, I start off with the eyes first. I noticed a lot of people don't start off with eyes first, which is bonkers to me, because I start off with eyes first. With Ray, he's a tsundere, so I forgot to say that. He's a tsundere, so he looks mad pretty much all day, every day. So, you'll keep your eye line slanted, like so. And he doesn't have eyebrows. Like, he has eyebrows, but they're very, barely noticeable. In terms of drawing one. Okay. It's kind of hard for me to talk and draw at the same time. That's the reason why I'm going to sketch out the face for you guys, and then I'll come back when I have it all okayed, because I just get very high anxiety when I do stuff like this, because it's a lot for me. It's a lot. I am back. It literally felt like 2 seconds to you guys, but it was almost an hour to me. So, based on what I'm looking at by the face, I'm going to have to make the eye smaller. So I will cut off again and be back once the eye is smaller. Alrighty guys, so the eye is most definitely smaller. And I pretty much mapped out where I want the face to be. Like I said, this isn't permanent. I always fix it in the end. But yeet. So I feel like with the anime characters, the nose and mouth, everything else is kind of like your own expectation. Please ignore my grandma in the background. But I'm just gonna draw the noses how I draw noses. So my nose consists of just a line. Like, my nose is just a line. Pretty much, I do add on details when I color, but for me personally, my nose is just a line. In some of the images, he's smiling. In some of them, he's like, howdy, I guess. I'm trying to see what he looks like, but he's smiling most of the time. So I'm gonna try to do the smile. This is looking a little bit less cartoony than I want. Oh my goodness. Okay, I feel like that's good enough. So there's the face. I actually kind of really like this. Like I always say, I might go off camera and fix a lot of the things. I'm just trying to do the basic gist for you guys. So moving on to the ears, I do notice they have big ears. I like drawing big ears. Some people are against it. Big ears. Alrighty guys, so here's his head. There's some ligaments, which is his neck and shoulders. So now I'm going to resharpen my pencil, and we're going to get to his hair. I think I got the basic gist of it. I think I got it. I don't know if I do, but I'm going to pretend. Ow! That I do. Alright, so getting to his hair. Let me move this over again, because I feel like I have to reach to get over you guys. Okay, so basically I would high-key suggest to map his hair out. So his hair is shorter on this side, but then he has the comb over, so it's like that. You kind of see where it's going. One of the main reasons why I do not like drawing comb over hairstyles is because they look like they have big heads. If you guys agree with me, let me know. But I just don't like it because it makes them look like they have big heads when they don't. But yeah. Yeah. So pretty much comb over hairstyles, you want to go in one direction. Knowing me, I like to add extra details to mine. I think that's pretty good. So let me get to the other side. Alright, so I legit made this a little bit too short because his hair is supposed to come more over the side, if you gotta get what I'm saying, but I'm gonna be a rebel and not do that. But his hair pretty much is just side shave on the side. So Ray does have some hair that flicks up like that because it's like a comb. So what I'm gonna do is acknowledge that I drew his hair wrong. I'm gonna acknowledge that, and I'm gonna fix some areas. I don't know, guys. I don't know how this is looking. Does this look like legit accurate to you guys? I don't know. It's looking pretty cool to me. Okay, so I'm gonna have to make this look a little bit more convincing. But anyway, that's it for that side for right now. And I think the other side is pretty basic. Okay, so this side pretty much just goes out. It's like spiky. Like he's living his best emo life. That's pretty much what it looks like on this side. You can see that that's how it's looking like right now, and I made his hair look a little bit too high on this side. So I'm gonna go off camera and fix this, and then come back with a better view on life. Somehow making sense of this boy. So it looks better, right? It looks kind of better. I like it. I keep forgetting most of the lines here is his head got lines, so I gotta be mindful of that. So what I did here is that I took away all the rooster combs, and I'm gonna make this a full black thing, but make sure some of it's left out. And then I heavily took away a lot of the detail here so it won't look too complicated. So yeet. So what's left? Normally I'll put clothes on the peeps, but I actually don't want to. So I might just make Ray a little bit naked here. So he's getting a little spicy. And voila, that is how you draw Ray from Promised Neverland. Again, this was not a tutorial video for you guys. It's more so a tips and tricks of how to break down a anime character and just kind of see it from a simple point of view. Alrighty guys, so this is going to be the actual end of this video. As you can see, I did line and color Ray. I have been improving my coloring style, so that's why it looks a little bit new right now, and I'm still getting used to me upgrading my eye style, but it's settling in really well. And I use my Crayola colored pencils to color Ray. Cameras never do our drawings justice. They make them look so washed out. But I promise you guys, it's here. It's living in real life. But you have no way of knowing that because you don't see me in real life or you don't see my drawings in real life. But I promise you guys, it's here. I hope you guys like this video. It's not here to be a how to draw video. You guys could use it as so, but I just really want it to be a video to encourage you guys to go at things that may seem hard at first, but as long as you break it down to simple steps, you got it. May is going to be a really wild month for me, actually, because it's my birthday month and I'm trying to like chillax. So if you guys don't watch my vlogs, I will not be doing a vlog for May. Well, you'll see my April vlog in May, but my actual vlogs won't continue until July. So you'll have a month off from vlogs, but I will be recording some really cute art videos, so it's just a little break from vlogs of my life. Just wanted to put that out there because I don't want any of you guys to be like, yo Narelle, what's going on? That's what's going on. But yeah, that's it. So give this video a like if you liked it. Comment down whatever you like to say to me in my comment box below, or comment down any helpful tips for everyone else in the comment box below, because we're a community, guys. Like, we need to help each other. And yeet. So I will see you guys later.